Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Last week I had started a simple small sessions where I gave just one tip on how to make a small mojo bag with the pyrite, because as I said September, since I'm bringing a hoodoo class, I thought I will also, as we are doing African gods goddesses, I will also bring in a small information as in when I can on the hoodoo modality. All right, so now I was talking about last time that the way we have our gods goddesses, same way they also have, and they also work on it. Today, before I give you all any tip, I would suggest today, I feel the color has to be brown or the color has to be light yellow. I don't know why I'm getting light yellow, because I feel some of you need a lot of energies in your solar plexus, because of which a lot of things are not happening the way you're wanting, and because of which you feel sometimes very low and very depressed from inside. I don't know why I'm getting that energy today. So now coming back to our the card of the day, let's first pick out some card. Yamaya. Actually, maybe that is the reason why today first I didn't tell anything about hoodoo. This is a beautiful card, and she is an amazing goddess, Yamaya. And in fact, if there's any woman who has had any issues in her life, she should call on Yamaya, because Yamaya comes to you when you are in need of her. And Yamaya, in fact, I have done conceiving ritual with her for many people, and it had worked wonders for them, because she also helps you if you are physically abused in a relationship, and if you have had any issues in a relationship, and even career wise, for everything. If you are a female, and mainly a female, I'm in term using the term female. If you're a female and if you feel that people are taking advantage of you, or people are hurting you, people are troubling you, people are doing things which you don't like, then actually she is the one for you, and she will definitely stand by you when you need her. And there's no hard and fast rule to call on her. The way we call on our Lakshmi Mata or Parvati Mata, the same way you have to just call on her, and she will just come in front of you and she will help you. In fact, she loves watermelon. You can offer her a watermelon. Sometimes, what I do is, I write petition for whatever is my desire, and then I put it in the watermelon, and then I leave it in the beach, because there is beach nearby me. So I discard it in running water over there, and people who don't have the beach or who don't have the running water near them, I tell them, why don't you just leave it in the crossroads with some coins. So today, those who are looking for pregnancy, because this card is come, I'm giving on pregnancy. If you're looking for conceiving, then what you should do is, you should call on her and you should pray to her, and you should take a watermelon, cut a watermelon to half, and scoop the watermelon from inside, add some more fruits to it, and write a petition paper, keep the petition paper and keep the fruits on it, pray to her and tell her, "O dear goddess, O dear high priestess, O mother, bless me with a child, and I shall be ever grateful to you." Now, those who are looking for anything else, any manifestation, just tell her, "I am ready to receive your love and guidance. I am ready to receive your blessings." The same way, even you can write in the watermelon a wish paper and keep it inside the watermelon, and leave that fruit in crossroads, or leave or in the running water. We will just pull one more card also today. That's a beautiful card, Oshun. Yet another favorite Orisha of mine. These Orishas, you should experience them, to know what it is. Oshun is actually the goddess of love. I don't know how many of you all connect with these, African gods. I'm just giving a closer up. They just give what you want, or they just come to you when the time comes. Maybe some of you are emotionally down, maybe because of conceiving, or maybe you feel, "I'm very vulnerable right now, people are making use of my energies." Your heart is feeling very low. So today, what you can do is, just call on Ocean and Amaya and tell them, "Oh dear Ocean and Amaya, give me love. I am ready to receive your love. Give me blessings. I am ready to receive your blessings. Tell this for 21 times and speak to them. Ocean also is the goddess of fertility. I don't know why the cards of fertility have come more this time. Cards of love and emotion have come more this time. Maybe emotionally you're down. That's why both the cards which deal with emotions have come. So I shall pray that you all have a beautiful and an amazing day ahead. God bless you all.